Did you know over half of England's most threatened breeding bird species nest on the ground? This helps protect fragile eggs from falling out of a nest. But nesting at ground level can leave birds vulnerable to predators, flooding, sea level rise, fires, and accidental disturbance. By using tried and tested conservation science, we help protect threatened species from these dangers on our RSPB reserves and beyond. Using innovative conservation techniques, we can help give ground nesting birds a better chance of survival. But to prevent human disturbance, we all need to play our part. By sticking to the paths, keeping your dogs on leads, and watching your step, you can help give threatened birds space to breathe this spring.